Hello, this is Joe again from the Cell Phone Geek. Today I'm going to be showing you a ZesGood battery holder for all of your different types of batteries, from your AA's to AAA's to C's, D's, watch batteries. This is a fireproof case, so if your batteries do short out or catch fire, it will be contained within this bag. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing for you here. It's got a nice zipper on it, leather feel on the outside here. Go ahead and unzip this and see what we got inside. So inside here we got a battery tester with the little directions on how to use the battery tester, and then the back side has directions and shows you how you can lay out all your different types of batteries to put into the case here. All I see here is the battery tester, which is just some fairly cheap, lightweight battery tester with a little needle on it, so then it'll just move over, let you know approximately where the battery's at, whether it's in red it needs to be replaced, yellow means it's low, and green is good. You can continue to use the battery. Pretty straightforward. 9 volts. Touch to here and it'll show you the gauge. Always any other types of batteries, you can put it in this slider here for whether it's a AA, AAA, C's, D's, that sort of thing. Always in here, looks like we got a top half here has got a zipper pocket, and that's got a couple of hard plastic cases. Looks like 6 cases that you can store some batteries in plastic storage. So it's probably more for rechargeable batteries or something that you're going to take with you on the go. Otherwise, the foam padding here looks like you just pull out the foam piece and drop your batteries into where you want to store your batteries. There you can see all the different cutouts there, so you just pull out that section of foam, and then you can drop in your AA's or whatever type of batteries that you're looking to set in there. So they got your bigger C's and D's, your 9 volts, some more C's or D's, AA's, and then in here would be like your AAA's, smaller batteries. Other than that, I mean, it's pretty simple, straight setup case. It's got a handle on it for carrying if you're gonna take them with you. Otherwise, yeah, looks pretty straightforward. It's got plastic on the bottom here so it won't get crushed. So when you do have your batteries in here, if you drop it or put something else on top of it, at least it won't crush all your batteries and your batteries won't fly around. So it is kind of a hard case. It is just a plastic shell. So obviously it's not made to be dropped from multiple story building, but it should be good enough for your home use and carry your batteries, so you know at least they're protected wherever you go. Alright, well, that's about it for the case here. I'll have a little description down below here with a link where you can find the item. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.